Adept woodworker Ted McGrath created the Ted's Woodworking Package as a valuable resource that would present woodworkers with some very remarkable ideas and projects. The package has various qualities that make it the #1 woodworking resource, and some of those qualities along with a few petty pitfalls will be assessed in this review. What kind of projects does Ted's Woodworking Package contain? Ted McGrath, the mastermind who created this innovative package, himself is also an educator and a member of WA as well. Ted's Woodworking Package contains a diverse selection of 16,000 easy ideas and projects, including Arbor Plans, Barn Plans, Cabinet Plans, Doghouse Plans, Garage Plans, Swing Plans, Windmill Plans, and many more. Woodworkers will find it really easy to begin woodworking when they are following because all the ideas and projects Ted's resource are easy to understand and simple. Ted McGrath spent 2 years researching so that he could gather enough material for an extensive package, and he ended up creating a truly complete woodworking resource. Many might still seem unsure whether they should be purchasing Ted's Woodworking Package, despite all the positive traits. The myriad of resources available online make it even more difficult to make the right choice. There are actually many things that set Ted's Woodworking Package apart from others. Ted's Woodworking Project Pros and Cons. The pros. Ideas suitable for woodworkers of all levels. Woodworkers of all levels will get to benefit from Ted's Woodworking Package. Those who are just getting started will find the ideas and projects in Ted's package quite easy. No doubt, intricate carpentry is involved. However, they will find it really easy to follow Ted's simple step-by-step instructions. Presently, both beginner and experienced ones are using Ted's Woodworking Package. The great thing about the ideas and projects mentioned in Ted's resource is that they can be completed in a very short time. Useful bonuses. Ted McGrath also offers 3 very useful bonuses to the woodworkers who purchase his package, namely, free CAD plan and drawing viewer, the complete woodworking carpenter guide, 150 premium woodworking videos. Complete Woodworking Carpentry Guide is a 200-page resource that will help beginners learn a lot about woodworking. They will also be able to advance their carpentry and woodworking skills through the 150 videos. Excellently organized. It is quite surprising that the contents in Ted's Woodworking Package are so excellently organized even though it contains around 16,000 simple woodworking ideas and woodworking projects. Woodworkers will be able to find any project of their choice in this package quite easily, even though there's so many choices. 60-day ironclad money-back guarantee. Overall, this product is in those who buy it will be backed by a 60-day guarantee, so if this woodworking package fails to satisfy them, they can always get their money back. The cons. Takes time to download. Ted's Woodworking Package can take a slightly long time to download because of its large size. Nonetheless, with a high-speed internet connection it should download within a couple of minutes. Slightly overwhelming. Since there are so many ideas, projects and plans in Ted's Woodworking resource, so some found it a bit overpowering and overwhelming. Nonetheless, they did not mind being overwhelmed considering the fact that this package is so impressively organized. The bottom line. The bottom line is that Ted's Woodworking Package is so thorough and vast that it contains just about every woodworking project a woodworker might be interested in constructing. This woodworking package created by Ted McGrath is truly unmatchable and cannot be compared to all those other woodworking packages that are available throughout the internet. Ted has done his best to guide them in every possible way he can, through easy-to-understand textual instructions, clear images and even videos as well. Thus, woodworkers who purchase Ted's Woodworking resource will not be disappointed with the woodworking ideas and woodworking projects they will find within. So, it is definitely worth buying. If you are ready to start your next project, check out Ted's Woodworking projects at woodworking360.com/projects. And for more woodworking tips check out our blog at woodworking360.com.